Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, February 22nd, 2021. It's Motivational Monday. If you look for positive things in life, you will find them. So sometimes it's all about our perspective. We need to be looking for positive things and celebrating happiness. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast we have Pop-Tart, and for lunch we have pizza or calzone. Tomorrow for breakfast we have breakfast pizza, and for lunch chili crispito. Over the weekend, our birthday was Kaylee Hurd, and today's birthdays we are celebrating Liam Vinson and London Knock. Happy birthday! A couple of reminders. Teachers, if parents are going to be picking up materials or supplies for your class, please send all those items to the office so that we do not have to interrupt your instructional time to get the needed items. Also, please review the late duty schedule. It is your responsibility to cover your duty if you are not able to stay. This week's AR Superstars, these students have met their quarter goal for AR, and Miss Smith will be coming around with an AR cart this morning. Super exciting. Miss Bolton's class, we have Markil Moy, Callan Writings, Danielle Stabler, and Cami. In Miss Duberg's class, we have Gabriella Dial, Jason Hartley, Abdel Nasser, Taiwan Powell, Chase Rouser, Prince White, and Kyler Williams. In Miss Enfield's class, we have Bryson Daffin, Jada Drain, Kinley North, Keelan Parker, Tripp Robertson, and Mayerly Vasquez. In Miss Hamlin's class, we have Madison James. In Miss Hogan's class, we have Zach Bolton, Landon Dobson, Tevin Eaton, Alita Lee, Zoe McNeil, Justin Trong. In Miss Lee's class, we have Livia Peters. And finally, in Miss Peralta's class, we have Hayden O'Kane. Wow! Our first grade and kindergarten friends are knocking it out. Way to go. And then we have a couple of third graders. All right, fourth and fifth graders, where you at? Let's see you on this list, maybe next week. So important dates coming up. February 22nd, which is today, is our flipped faculty meeting. So be sure you'd remember to stay for the faculty meeting this afternoon. February 23rd to 25th, that's going to be our practice for the ACAP taking place in the computer labs. February 24th is our PST during extended PE. On February 25th is Spring Picture Day. February 26th is mid-quarter. Any missing assignments need to be completed by this point. February 26th also is the date that your math fluency kit training should be completed by. Following up from that, March 15th through April 30th is our ACAP testing window that everyone is working really hard to prepare for. Speaking of, our word of the day is capacity. What is capacity? Capacity is the amount of liquid that a solid shape can contain. So how much liquid you could put in a box or in a cup or in some sort of container. That is the capacity of that container. To measure capacity, we might use milliliters, liters, or fluid ounces. We write it like this. So those are the abbreviations for how you would write the capacity. The capacity is how much liquid a container will be able to hold. That's our word of the day. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.